In this video, I'm going to show how to combine a Z-scan with multiple positions, how to acquire different Z-scans at multiple positions, and where I set the scan around the center of a defined position. I like to start by acquiring a 3x3 overview in order to select the positions I want to use for acquisition. You don't need to do that, but I found it quite useful. So off the top of this image, I can see I have a couple of positions that I would like to select. To select the positions from the 3x3, you click the multi-position settings. If you had previous positions, you can delete them. And then you activate the go to center function, click on the position, and just add the positions you want to work with. I move to the 40x objective. I'm on the first position, and I can inspect the position throughout Z to see where I would like my center of my stack to be. Yeah, probably where I was in the beginning. I guess here would be the center. I replace position. I go to next position. Maybe I want to put the embryo a bit more towards the center. Go a bit around the Z to see where I want my Z center to be in. Here, replace position, move to next position, and inspect where I want my center to be in. Again, I think I was okay-ish. Replace. So I'll move to the first position again and select a Z-scan. And this is the center of the positions as I defined. I press center size, and I'm okay with this center, so I press center set. Now I define how large the stack I want it to be, and then I can define how many slices and the step size. Once I'm happy, I need always to add a channel for acquisition. Channel for acquisition is done, the stacking, the multi-positions. You could also select to apply deconvolution. Press acquire, and all the 3 positions will quickly be acquired. You can visualize your stack being built. And this is quite useful because you can stop if your 3D doesn't look good. You can do a MIP. If you had more channels, you could see a gallery view. We also have this surface render view, and we are here in the option where you can see the dupe positions or the multiple positions simultaneously as you acquire them. So these are the 2 positions. I press, and this is the 3rd position that is finishing. And now I can actually see the display of the 3 positions that we have acquired. I can go through Z in the 3 positions, or if I take this, I can inspect the Z in any of the positions that I have acquired. This is the 3rd position, this is the 2nd position, and this is the 1st position. And this is it.